Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to our logical YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Happn account, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Happn app, and once you open it, and make sure you have already logged in as well. And now right after that you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Happn app on the screen, where you can see your profile picture at the top right corner of this dashboard. So once you tap on that profile picture, you can see the settings option just down below of this screen. So let's select the settings option and you will be redirected to the configuration section, where you can see my data just down below of your profile picture. So just tap on the my data, and now finally you can see the delete my account at the last. So you need to select the delete my account, and you can see it is written you have the option of pausing your profile without having to delete it. So what it basically means is you can simply take a break from your Happn app by tapping on the pause. But if you straight want to delete your account, then simply tap on the delete my account, and you will be redirected to the another section where you need to tap on the continue, and it will ask you for a reason. So you simply need to give a reason and complete formalities, and once you verify yourself and complete the formalities, you will be able to delete your Happn account successfully. But for now I'm not gonna do it, so yeah, the process is same. So basically this is how you can delete your Happn account, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.